welcome back again to my class. We want to teach you how to create text masking intro using your INSHOT. Firstly, if you open your INSHOT app, you click on video, click on new. While we are waiting, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Then you click on blank, select. Next thing, you increase the duration maybe to 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds or let's 10 or 9. Then the next thing, you add your text. Add your text. Maybe let me use Samoski. Then you increase the text. Use a bold font. Okay, this one is bold. Then you add the duration of the text too. What's the next thing? You change the color to green color. That's the normal color for doing this thing. If you don't use green color, you will not get it. This light green is okay. Then the next thing, you add or you set the transition of your choice. Okay, let's just use this one. Okay, this one is okay. This one is okay. Okay, so what's the next thing? The next thing is, okay, you are done. You save it or export it. After exporting the video, you go back and start a new video again. You create new, then you select the background, either picture or video. So me, I'm trying to use a picture instead of video. Two of them is okay. Then you add the duration. You add the duration. So what's the next thing? Let me remove the, okay. The next thing, you import the video again. Import the video. Where is the video? The text video you exported. So see the video now. So next thing, you zoom it, fit to page. Okay. Then you click on chroma. You drag this thing till it change to another color. Okay. No, here is okay now. Then you play the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. This is the final result. Are you seeing it? Please like the video to our channel. So you might use this thing as your video intro. Please like the video. That's what I'm trying to tell you, and subscribe to our channel.